Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you all are happy and safe with your loved ones. This is Poonam Sahani sharing a new story from my life. So, not taking much time, let's begin. So, it was evening around 7 p.m., and I was sitting upset. Why? Because my ongoing studies, that is BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Institution of Engineers, result for that has been declared, and it was disappointing for me that I could not pass the remaining two exams. I was very upset, very frustrated that it is too difficult for me to do it along with my job. My son and my husband both were with me, observing me, that being so much frustrated, I even wanted to throw out my books, leave it. I don't want to do it. What value it will add to my ongoing job? Nothing. And then I decided that I will not continue this. And then I moved on, thinking that thought beside, and moved to the garden for the walk as I do on regular basis to release my stress, whatever I got uh, during work pressure. So then, after coming back from the garden later on, another day, I realized what I am doing, why I am uh, leaving this, why it was like why I decided to do it, because I wanted to become a bachelor engineer in the stream of mechanical engineering. So then what message, what lesson I'm teaching to my son if I'm leaving it in between? A lesson that quit if you can't do it? Then I decided no. I will not quit. I will give it another attempt. And only two exams were left to complete this education, to complete this degree. That was thermodynamics and mechanics of solid. So I continued, I worked hard and identified the gaps, what I didn't do it earlier attempts. And by this time, I was lucky that I could crack the exam. I passed both the exams. I got the degree. So, the most important lesson here I learned, don't give up. No, not at all. Keep trying. Most important that identify your gaps. In case if you don't identify, don't improve on that, then same result you will get, because same action, same result. To get different result, you must try different actions. That is the learning from this. So if you like this story, please press like and click subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you. Take care.